Okay, now, I love bowling and horse camp and Barbie camp, horse camp.
Can you tell Grammy and Grandpa thank you for the Wii?
Thank you for the Wii.
We're having lots of fun.
For having lots of fun.
She's getting pretty good at it. We'll show you some bowling action later. Right now, show them the Barbie. This is what Daddy bought Abby for. The very first Wii game is Barbie Horse Adventures Riding Camp. So we're fixing to play that one. Okay?
I love you, Grammy. Bye.
Okay, here's Abby lining up for her shot. Show us how you do it, Abby.
Okay.
Gotta hold your A button down. Nice left-handed swing. Whoa, look at that. Nice shot.
Oh, your turn.
Okay, Mommy's turn.
Uh-huh.
Okay, Peter, show us your stuff. How do you do it? See, I know where it goes. Right there in your mouth? Is that how you play Wii? There you go, you eat your cracker. Alright. Bye-bye, Peter. Bye. Peter, show us how you work the Wii. How do you use that remote there, buddy? Show us how it works. Peter.